see this, the humidity in the air? Can you see my picture bouncing? It's domed up just a little bit. Might be because there's a certain amount of moisture in my hand and the paper is so absorbent. And it's not wet or anything, but I'm just saying over time you can go ahead and have a paper change its shape, not lay flat. Sometimes it'll go back. If you have a flat place to put it, it'll relax. But the humidity in the air from rain and all kinds of stuff can influence your paper. And I think it's better to let it, relax on its own, to keep it in the same environment all the time, as much as possible. Storing paper over the years was always a big challenge. I have large flat files. And I have a flat file with probably 108 drawers. So you can just imagine, I filled that with artwork. It's not right now because I have to reorganize it. But a lot of illustrations, and I only got to keep certain ones. Many of them are gone forever. I never got a good picture of them even. So record everything you can. It's so nice to be able to have our phones. At least we have a record. We can go ahead and take a shot of something before it goes, even though it may pain us,